Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI, and today I want to share with you my headset that has a microphone and noise canceling capabilities. This thing is awesome, especially if you're working from home, either teaching online or Zooming. You want to have a pair of these. So a couple of features about this headset that I really love is, first of all, the microphone. So this microphone actually adjusts, it goes up and down, so you can locate it precisely where you need it. Another feature that I really appreciate is the padding that it offers. These head pads are super padded, so they're very comfortable to use. Let me show you when I put them on. They fit great. And the third feature is that it does have noise canceling capabilities, and at the same time it has this little remote where you can control the volume by going up, down, and muting. So on the other end of the headset, it has a USB. So this USB, all you have to do is to insert it into the slot for your laptop, like that, and your headset's ready to go. You can actually log into whatever program you're going to be using. In my case, I like to log into Zoom, and you're able to use your headset with noise canceling capabilities, mute, and all the bells and whistles that it comes with. I love this headset, and that's my point of view.